Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 19 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page for you to ask him questions, and he will answer them. And we like posting some of the interesting ones and the ones that are just straight out myth busting. And we like put them up there for everybody to know. So on today's episode, we're talking about edible straws, solo cabins, 3-day Bermuda on the Venezia, however you pronounce it, handicap ramps leading to beaches, and chairs without arms. Interesting. If you like what you're seeing and you love cruise content, please feel free to like and subscribe. We would appreciate it. All right, question 1. Are the edible straws vegan? Curious question. John's answer, yeah, they are. So it's not like you're drinking your pina colada with a steak stick. It's actually vegan. No meat involved. Next one. This one is actually a good one. Solo cabins. Will Carnival think about adding solo cabins? John's answer, not at this moment. They have no plans to. He did say, check the A1 category cabins, as traditionally they are less expensive, and that will help you out because you do pretty much have to pay for a dual occupancy cabin, which is odd, but that's just the way they do it. Now, the Venezia out of New York sails to Bermuda, and they were asking, because it's a 3-day stop in Bermuda, do you have to get back on the ship, bing bong, every time, every day? Answer, no. They actually leave the gangway out 24/7 so you can come and go as you please. Pay attention to the day though, so you make sure you get back on and you're not a new resident of Bermuda. Are there handicap ramps leading to the beaches? Specifically, they asked, in Half Moon Cay, Grand Turk, and Amber Cove. They've actually been to these ports before, but they've never needed them, and they do now, so they're asking. He said, yes, indeed there are. All 3 have handicap accessible ramps to the beaches. He also said they do have beach wheelchairs available. I would imagine you have to request those ahead of time, but that's why John Heald's here. Reach out to him a couple days before the cruise, and he'll likely be able to get those for you. Or they might just have them on the beach. Speaking of things to request, gentleman said he's going on the Mardi Gras. He would like to know if they have the deck chairs for the balconies that don't have arms. He said he's a larger fella and they are very uncomfortable to squeeze into. And some of those chairs are quite narrow, I will say. John said, yes, absolutely there are. If you would like to get these, make sure you write him 2 days before the cruise with the cruise you're going on and your cabin number. John will arrange with the ship to make sure that your chairs are the ones without arms so you can sit out there comfortably and just enjoy that sea breeze. I'm imagining being on a balcony right now. So that was episode 19 of Yakety-Yak. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care.